All right, so I have a Gator tailgate cover, and it has a lifetime limited warranty. And as you can see, I have the metal bar on the ground there, and one of my handle things broke, so the other one's missing a piece. This one, because it didn't really break, I can probably just replace just this piece. I've contacted Gator. They sent me 2 brand new ones. The thing they don't send is instructions on how to install them. And the video I found from Gator doesn't show you how to remove and install it. So I'm gonna guess. I'm assuming I need to take this piece off because it looks like this end has to slide in, and that's where it's installed. So I'm gonna start unscrewing it, and I'll give you an update in a minute. Okay, so there are 3 screws. I took one off there, and there are 2 on this side. There's probably one more underneath. Yep. So I'm gonna take all those off and see if I can remove the whole assembly, which hopefully would allow me to put in this new plastic piece. Okay, so after removing the screw here, the screw on the other side, back here, the 2 bolts, which had 2 nuts, this slid apart, and this slides right out. So this slides right out, this all slid apart. So now it looks like I'd be able to grab that and slide it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and work that out and then install the new one. Okay, so I found the trick with this piece. There's actually a screw in here that I need to be able to get to. So it looks like I can pry it up and just use a long screwdriver and get in there and unscrew it. All right, so with a few taps, after I pulled that self-tapping metal screw out, I just kind of hit this with a screwdriver and it slid off. So now I can slide the new one back on. That's it. So new guy should just go right in. Oh, upside down. And then this goes all the way to that other hole. There's some marks there, so I can see kind of where it lines up. And now I can use that self-tapping screw, see the metal screw, and get it right back in there. So I'm just gonna make sure it's all correct before I do this, as far as the way I envisioned it. So that's how it'll latch. Yeah, that's right. Okay, another piece of this. You really can't get that on there like that. So I'm gonna unscrew this, slide it back over, and then wedge it in and slide it back. All right, so you basically have to loosen both ends all the way out almost, and then work it in. And then you can secure it with the metal post there. So I'm just gonna loosen this one screw here, pull it out, slide them on together, tighten them up. Okay, so I got this side back together. I tipped using a towel or a rag and a hammer. You can tap this in. I had to loosen this side all out completely to make this more pliable and movable. Then I was able to tap both sides to the right space, and now it's all together. For now, I did not screw this back into here. I'm gonna see if that really has an effect, because this thing's really tight. So I don't know if that screw is doing that much, but I'll decide this evening to try to get the screw in there. This top is really hot. I know I could have taken the whole top off, brought it inside, did this in the air conditioning, but that would be too easy. Okay, so in the end, I did manage to push this down, get my screwdriver and secure the screw into this so this shouldn't slide. Moment of truth. Nothing fell. It can now be latched. That's it. It's not the easiest, but it's definitely not that hard.